Are you curious to see which 10 videos you like the most on circuit apps? If so, this video is for you. Oh, by the way, don't forget to check out the video description to see the free gift I have in store for you. Continue watching. This was one of your favorite videos where I walk you through the steps to convert your dead 9-volt batteries into rechargeable 9-volt variants. Powering EL wires using two AA batteries may not be space efficient. In this video, I showed you how to use a smaller 3-volt coin cell instead. Depending on how a soldering iron is used, its tip can get worn out over time, and replacing the tip is one option. What I do in case of emergencies is to restore its tip until I get a replacement, as I show you in this video. This is one of my favorites, where I demonstrate how you can generate electricity from heat, thanks to the Seebeck effect. I never get tired of watching this one. When you have a supercapacitor and nitinol wire, you can combine them to create an electronic lighter for yourself. This video showed you the steps on how to achieve that. Accidents do happen when you try to replace components on PCBs. I certainly had my share of such failures. In this video, I showed you how to repair broken PCB tracks and pads easily. Nothing is as it seems on the outside, and this is certainly true for electrolytic capacitors. In this video, I showed you what to expect when you tear down a capacitor to reveal the surprises hidden inside it. I was surprised to find out how simple the build of a tilt switch was, and I created this video to surprise you too. This video showed the simple method I use every day to remove hot glue from almost any surface. The video you watched the most at number 1 showed you how to use the terminals of old 9-volt batteries to connect new batteries together in series to get high DC voltages. Old connectors can also be used in other applications. Therefore, this practical tip is a fantastic way to save money while helping the environment. Subscribe, learn, have fun, and be inspired.